If you want to give your RedNote profile a fresh look, changing its background is the solution. Here's how you can do it. First, open the RedNote app and tap the Me icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap on the current background image. A new page will appear with options to update your background. Tap on the icon next to change cover. RedNote will request access to your photos and videos if you haven't granted it already. Allow access by tapping Access All or choose specific photos to allow access. Select the photo you want to set as your profile background. After selecting the photo, choose the part of the image you want to set as your background. You can zoom in on the photo if desired. After that, tap the red button in the bottom right corner. Finally, refresh your profile page to view the updated background. And that's it! Your RedNote profile now has a new background to showcase your style. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more helpful guides, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.